Energy costs are influenced by a range of interconnected factors. Supply and demand play a central role. When demand rises or supply is restricted, prices tend to increase. Infrastructure, such as pipelines and power grids, also impacts costs, as maintenance and upgrades can be expensive and affect the efficiency of energy delivery. Market dynamics, including global trade, regulatory policies, and competition among providers, further contribute to price fluctuations. Together, these elements create a complex environment that determines the final cost consumers pay for energy. Rising energy costs have a significant impact on households, businesses, and the broader economy. For families, higher utility bills constrain budgets, forcing difficult choices and reducing disposable income. Businesses often face increased operational expenses, which may lead to higher prices for goods and services, or even cutbacks in production. In the short term, these pressures can slow economic growth and dampen consumer confidence. Over the long term, persistent expensive energy can drive inflation, alter investment decisions, and encourage shifts toward more efficient technologies or alternative energy sources. Reducing energy expenses can be achieved through a combination of practical strategies and innovative solutions. Improving energy efficiency is one of the most effective approaches, involving upgrades to appliances, insulation, and lighting systems to minimize waste. Exploring alternative energy sources, such as solar, wind, or geothermal, can also lower costs and reduce reliance on traditional fuels. Policy changes, including incentives for renewable energy adoption and stricter efficiency standards, play a crucial role in encouraging both individuals and businesses to make sustainable choices. Together, these methods offer a comprehensive pathway to managing and reducing energy expenses. I hope this information was helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much for watching.